Creating flags on a CNC router can be simple and yield amazing results. Bravo to those of you that have taken this process to creative heights. Right now I'm going to show you the 5 easy steps to taking this pine blank to this fine piece of Americana. Let's get started. Step 1. Import and position your art. This takes us into Create 7. I have a template file prepared, and you can download this off CutRocket right now and start from this exact point. Everything is already on layers. I have a variety of layers assigned for the different elements of the American flag, along with some toolpaths. Here's a look at the simulation with the stock template. And you can see this American flag already looking pretty good. We just need to add some design elements into the striped area. Heading back to the design tab, this is our Cobra. I'm going to show you how to import it. Very simple process. I'll select Shelby Cobra, hit open. I'm going to use the stock settings for the trace, hit trace, and there it is. Perfect already. Even the text turned out nice because it was such a clean image. Larger images work best. Black and white images work best. I'm going to resize this one just slightly, make it a tiny bit smaller, and drag it down into our flag. Before we move on to step 2, I want to put the Cobra on the added design art layer. Go ahead and select him, hit the L key for the layers, move that selection to that layer. Our Cobra is now that blue-purple. Very nice. We're ready for step 2. Step 2, Boolean the intersecting groups or pieces. You'll need just the right outline or intersections to create the look you're after. A lot of choices for you to make here. I'm going to make a couple of quick ones. First, I want to select my Cobra. Then I'm going to go offset path, 6 millimeters outside, and hit apply. This is giving me a very nice clean outline of the Cobra. That's what I'm looking for. These inner elements I don't want. Hold shift, deselect that outline. We still have those inner pieces that have appeared. Hit delete, they are gone. I want to select that outline, and I want to select the stripes. Now I'm going to go to the Boolean menu. If you'd like a further explanation on how Booleans work in Create 7, we have a brand new video out. Take a deep dive. Here, I want to use the Boolean union. I don't want to keep the original vectors, and I'm not going to group the output. Hit OK, and it cuts the Cobra out very cleanly from all those stripes. That looks perfect. I'm really happy with that look. That will take us to step 3. Step 3 is art to layers. The use of layers is what will allow you to make quick design changes. In this template, we have pre-assigned everything to a layer and it has corresponding toolpaths. When you're making your own unique files, you'll make your own layering choices. Use of layers, sorting of art, critical to success. Be sure and take this step. Here my Cobra is already on the design art layer. Let's go ahead and take a look at our toolpaths and see how it's being treated. You can see in the template we already have a V-carve of the stars, we have a V-carve of the stripes, you have an optional border, and then you have a full cutout. Above that we have the advanced V-carve of our design art layer. Let's look at our simulation here. Oh, that looks very nice. We've gone from a plain American flag to the Cobra being cut in. It has a pretty reasonable border on it. There are some choices you can make if you wanted to define the bottom of the Cobra here or the top of the Cobra there. All up to you and how you want your particular elements to look. With all those toolpaths already established, time to head off to step 4. Step 4 is the best step. Cut. Watch your design come to life.
You ready? The name on the middle of that steering wheel should tell you that I was born ready, Shelby. Hit it. Attaboy. Oh, that's got a little kick. Got it. Whoa. Oh, my God.
About right now, the uninitiated have a tendency to soil themselves.
The 5th and final step is now ready to be taken. Finish. Do a little extra sanding, clean up some elements. You can use stain, you can use paint, you can keep it au naturel. Whatever you want to do with your flag. Perhaps at the very beginning, you wanted to paint the whole sheet, go ahead and put a mask on it, and then you wanted to do a variety of different colors. Maybe you'd like to get into epoxy fill. So many choices for you to make in terms of step 5 with the finish. All up to you. You are the artist. 5 steps complete, you have yourself an American flag. With your next project, get out and show your American pride. We'll be back here in the studio with more information, ideas, and inspiration.